Service in San Angelo has issued a tornado warning for central Menard County in west central Texas, southeastern Concho County in west central Texas, until 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Menard, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Menard and the intersection of US 83 and Highway 29. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Double header! Double header! Double header! What just happened? Did it just cut off? What just...
Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ivy Reservoir near Concho Park Marina, Oregon, 10 miles northeast of Paint Rock, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coleman, Santa Ana, Gold Busk, Rockwood, Ivy Reservoir near Concho Park Marina, Voss, Stacy, Valera, Libe, Trickham, Tonopah, the intersection of Ranch Road 1929 and Ranch Road 2134, Echo, Mazzell, Juan, Jisk, Shields, and Hordes Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Warning.
Wind advisory.